So if you want to have anything in your mind which you come across from yesterday's session or today's session, you can just put in your words for us. If you like, what did you like, something like that.
As per yesterday's session, I got some clarity. Like we all know we want to do something, but we found out that what is that something. And now after a one-on-one conversation, I went another step ahead. Now only thing is how to do. You have taken me till there.
Sure, we'll take you ahead as well. Start doing it whenever you feel like. We are there to help you. Thank you so much.
Sure.
And do good, all the best. We are always there to help people who are really willing to do. That is what my intention is. And our team is working hard to make it successful, and we have been doing it for quite a long time. Thank you so much, Maheshji. Looking forward to your success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.